I'm Brian Van, Sportbike.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars Faster-3 short riding shoes. Okay, the Faster-3 short riding shoes from A-Stars are available in multiple variants. We already did a video on the one that uses the ride knit fabric. That's really cool. This is just a different variation. The same fit, same style of boot. Retail price on this, as of the time we're shooting this video, is $159. Please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only if the product itself has been fully redesigned. Available in US sizes 6 to 14, huge range with half sizes. Really allows you to get that personalized fit dialed in just right for you. I normally wear a size 12 US shoe. My feet lean a little bit to the wide side. This is a 12. I got an excellent fit from it. I was really happy with it. I found it very accommodating. As I've said in the other videos, I would say A-Stars is putting the width of these right in between the slim and the wide, right? The sweet spot. It's going to fit most people out there. And additionally, just the fit and feel of the shoe is rather accommodating. So if you are a little bit to the wide side, they just kind of fit and work for you. So I really like how they fit. Super consistent in this spring 2019 crop of short riding shoes from A-Stars as well, which is nice to see. The feeling when walking around in these is excellent. I think this is something you could go to a destination and walk the entire day and be happy to get back on the bike and ride on home or ride to your next stop for sure. So lots of just flexibility with these. You'll see that these rise a little taller. These certainly aren't, a full riding boot, but they're a little taller than some of the shorter riding shoes that we see. For that reason, they've relieved the back portion of this just to allow these to really move comfortably on you. If they finish this all off back here with this height, they would be simply more restrictive, especially when walking around. Exterior construction is a microfiber. It looks like leather, but for boots, and you'll see this from all the good manufacturers, really, they're all using a microfiber. It's more durable, abrasion resistant. It just simply lasts longer. It works better on the footwear. Combination of, kind of a semi-gloss finish, matte finish here, embossed details on this. I like the logo, super subtle, right? Nice styling. There is a faux toe slider and TPR that stitched the external of the boot here. Protection for the ankle. This kind of gives it the appearance of like a race level ankle support system. This is going to be there to manage impact and abrasion. Reinforcement here in the heel cup. And comparing this to some of the other riding shoes they have, like for example the Center or the Sector that are in this current crop, this one's going to be more technical and more protective, and you see that in the price difference too. Internally, there is a cup to protect the ankle here. It's a little armored cup. It's going to be for abrasion and impact resistance. Matte finish here, embossed logo there. Looks really cool and clean. Give you a look at the sole. It looks trim, which is nice. It's the feeling on the bike. The slimmer the sole, the external sole of the boot is, you're just going to get better feel and dexterity on the bike, which is pretty cool. Leather strap across the top, Velcro closure, full lace-up design, padded tongue. The insole that they're using is the same that we've seen in the rest of the boots. You can see it's ventilated, channels down here. This is just meant to work to keep airflow circulating inside the boot, even though this isn't a ventilated version, okay? Like that ride knit, that fabric's gonna allow airflow. So if you're riding in extreme temperatures and you want more airflow, that might be the right choice for you. But even though this isn't a ventilated version, the materials are breathable, and that insole really helps to promote that airflow as well. All in all, what do I think? Alpinestars has always done a great job with their footwear. This is a solid example of that. If you're a sport rider and you dig the level of protection they've built into this, the styling, they've got multiple colors available, I'd say pull the trigger. You're going to love them.